Okay, everybody, I'm gonna attempt to drill my shifter knob skull. I'm kind of having to do this a little weird. I got it level. I got it level on here. Here's what I'm gonna use. It's a Irwin Hansen 10mm by inch and .150, the size it's supposed to be. My drill doesn't have a level on it, so I attached one to it, as you can see. So hopefully it'll be level. Here's the drill bit. Here's the tap. It doesn't actually say what size the drill bit is. I can't read it because I'm a blind bastard, but I'm gonna give it a try, see what happens. Probably do a lot of editing, but try to get this sucker level. I don't have a drill press. Well, I was going to get a tool to do this, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and use my ratchet. Hell with it. If I can get it started here. That bitch is threaded. Well, I cleaned it out with the air hose, and the threads look pretty fucking good. So I hope it fits. Okay, everybody, it's been drilled and tapped. I just mixed some epoxy for my eyes. So tell me what you think. Boom. Is that a cool shifter knob or what? I made sure I put a lot of fucking powder in there. A lot of powder. Because I wanted it to glow really, 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 really good. And that's just with regular light. I mean, I didn't charge it any extra with the flashlight. I mean, it glows in the daylight. I put so much shit in there. And if I really charge it, look, it glows and it's not even dark. I put a lot of powder in that bitch. That's gonna look cool in the Jeep. I like it. I like it. Look at that. It glows with the light on.